Hey, well, this is a new bike check, and probably my last with this frame because I got a new one, and I have to wait till Christmas to put it on though. It's a MirraCo Fivestar Park. It's 23 pounds 4 ounces. No, 23 pounds 14 ounces. Start off with the frame, standard head tube with welded gyro tabs. Down tube gasket, straight gauge tubing, chromoly down tube, top tube, head tube, chain stay and seat stay, 14mm by 5mm thick dropouts, welded U brake mounts. Yep, not too good. American bottom bracket shell. 20.5 top tube, 13.75 rear end slammed. The bars, Odyssey Aaron Ross with stolen money grips and Odyssey Barnes. 43 hardware hollow stem bolts with a Shadow Conspiracy linear cable, an Odyssey monolever, an Odyssey CFL stem with a Cane Creek S1 headset, I believe. A Maxxis Poplar Grifter front tire with an Odyssey Vendero 2 front hub and a quadrant rim with a stolen chromoly peg. These pegs are good. MirraCo M3 fork. A kink cable strap, which doesn't really do much. What is that? It's a Odyssey straddle cable with a specialized Fuse 3 cable hanger off my friend's bike. Odyssey Evo 2 brakes with clear pads. And with the drivetrain, KMC K710SL chain with a Snafu Ola sprocket, profile American bottom bracket, profile GDH light cranks with the tie spindle, Black Label PC pedals, stolen roulette cassette hub. This is the hub sound. With a hollow 14mm axle and a 9T driver. I believe I already said that. Laced to a stolen roulette double wall rim. Another Maxxis grifter. Good. A stolen chromoly peg. And yep, Odyssey seat post clamp. Stolen PC combo seat thing. Yeah, C and pivotal post combo. That's what it was. And yep, that's it.